On to the topic of bond quotes. Problem 95A has bond quotes. So again, there is a market for bonds. Bonds are bought and sold by investors, and as a consequence, the price is never just perfectly right on to the dollar what you're looking for. So the company tries to borrow, issues these notes payable. The note payable says $1,000, but they seldom get paid $1,000. They'll get paid some amount higher or lower. And I just wanted to show you these two Canadian oil and gas companies, Enbridge Gas and Fortis Alberta. These are gas-related companies, and you can see similar bonds, slightly different maturity. One matures in 2051, one matures in 2053, in the distant future. And Enbridge, it's going to pay 3.2% interest. Fortis is going to pay 4.8% interest. Well, of those two, which one would you prefer? If you didn't know much about the companies, but just trust me when I say they're stable companies, right? They're good companies, and let's just say we expect them to pay us back. They're both good companies. They're both going to pay us back. Which company would I want to do business with? The one giving me 3% interest, or the one giving me about 3.2% interest, or the one giving me 4.8% interest? Well, of course, I would want to be in business with the one giving me 4.8% interest, and I wouldn't want 3.2, just simply for the interest rates. Well, look at what the market has said. The market has said, hey, if I want to buy $1,000 of Enbridge bonds, the ask price is 76.358% of that face value. So if I buy $1,000 of bonds, it costs me $763.58. I get a discount, right? I'm buying a bond that says they're going to pay me back $1,000, and I only got to pay $760 for it, and they're going to pay interest every 6 months, 3.2%. Okay, I get it at a discount. Now, because Fortis is paying so much more interest, I got to pay a premium to get it. I got to pay $1,000 times 103.039% of what they're asking. So if I buy $1,000 worth of bonds, it's going to cost me $1,030.39 if I buy $1,000 worth of those Fortis Alberta bonds. And why is that? Assuming the companies are similar, I didn't do a ton of research here, but let's assume they're both, stable Canadian oil and gas companies. The Fortis bond is way more attractive than the Enbridge bond, and the market shows that. Like these are real quotes. This is from a real investing platform I looked at today. So, these are real numbers. So that's how bond quotes work. And so just looking at this, the size of the discount here, it's $1,000 bond. The size of the discount is $236.42. That's the amount of the discount. And here, there's a premium of $30.39. And what we'll learn in the next problem, 9.6, is accounting for the discount, accounting for the premium over time is the hard part of this. Calculating it, not so hard, and that's what we'll do in this problem, 9.5a. So it says, on January 1st, 2029, HIJ Company issues 10-year 5% bonds for $100,000 face value at a time when the market rate of interest yield to maturity is 6%. So we're offering 5%. The market can give 6%. What does that tell me? It's going to be a discount, right? 5% bond. We're offering 5. They can get 6 elsewhere. Actually, to answer the first question, will the bond be issued at a discount or premium? Discount. The bond will make semi-annual payments. So every 6 months we make payments. The bond quote is 92.561. What is that? It's just like the bond quote up here. This ask price. This is a percentage. We're going to get 92.561% of the money we asked for. We asked for $400,000. We're going to get 92.561% of that. We're going to get 0.92561 times 400,000. We're going to get 370,244. And how big is the discount? Well, we asked for 400. We're having to discount down to 370, so minus 400. The discount is 29,756. This wasn't asked, but if it asked us for a journal entry here, easy enough. We would go, okay, I borrowed some money in the form of a bond. It's January 1st, 2029. We debit cash. We got paid $370,244. We issued a bond payable saying we promised to pay back $400,000. The difference here is the discount. So it's obviously a debit I'm missing. We debit discount for $29,756. That piece wasn't asked for, but we're going to be doing it when we get to problem 9.6. Anyway, hope this video helped us understand how bond quotes work and also how bond discounts and premiums work. That's all for this one. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. The next video in our series is right up here, and if you want a supercut of all of the videos in this series, that's the one down below.